Virtual events are a great way for people that have interacted digitally to have face-to-face conversations. So face-to-face used to just be limited to in-person, but now with video conferencing tools, as well as various matchmaking digital tools, you can have speed networking, speed connections, breakout groups, or other ways for people to interact digitally and make real long-term connections. So some virtual tool solutions that are really great for this is Orbiit, which provides one-to-one match based on what people are looking for, as well as what people are providing. Various communities that I'm in have used this, and I love it. It's super easy to join, and you have a conversation. So I think it's like a 20 to 30 minute. And in the platform, as the producer, you can determine how long you want that matchmaking session to be, but it creates the meeting, schedules it, and both people can show up, and it has a native platform to do that. The next solution that I really love is called Lunch Club. And so you go on and essentially it matches people. They aim to do it in lunchtime, but depending on your schedule and your availability, it may be, your afternoon, somebody else's daytime. And I've met people from all over the world using Lunch Club. So again, you would go in independently, fill out your profile, and determine what your goals are, and it'll match you with a person that has similar goals and outcomes that they want from the tool. And another tool that I'll share really quickly is called Gather Round. This one is great for prompts. This one is another one that's really great for if you have a community, but it just allows folks to connect. So using these various virtual tools, and there are dozens more, and we've included a bunch in our Events Reimagined ebook, as well as on our website blog. So go ahead and check those out. But a virtual event that focuses on networking or matchmaking can really be valuable to the people that are in your community, potential leads and clients, and just growing your brand awareness and engagement. If you found this content valuable, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know in the comments what other questions you have or what you're trying to learn around live streaming, virtual events, and we can support you. If you want more one-to-one support, reach out to us and schedule a call today at GSDSolutionsinc.com. We'll jump on the line with you and help you get to the next step for your virtual events.